Hey everyone, it's Sam. Welcome back to English Everyday Podcast. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Right now, I'm sitting with my coffee, and I hope you have your favorite drink with you too. Maybe tea, maybe water, whatever makes you comfortable. Before we start, remember how we do this. You listen to me, and then you repeat after me. Use your hands when you speak. Use your face. Move your mouth. This is shadowing, and this is how we learn to speak naturally. Don't just listen in your head. Speak out loud with me. Even if you're on the bus, whisper. Even if you're alone, speak. Your brain and your mouth need to work together. I want to remind you of something important. You're on a 6-month journey with me. Just 20 minutes every day, that's all. In 6 months, you will speak English confidently. You will have real conversations. You will express your ideas. Trust this process. Trust yourself. You don't need to see results today or tomorrow. Just show up every day, and the results will come. Today, we're going to talk about something really important: how to train your brain and your mouth to speak in English. This is not a grammar lesson. This is not a class. We're just having a conversation, like friends. I'm going to share with you why speaking English feels so difficult and what you can do about it. Let me tell you a story. I have a friend. Let's call her Maria. Maria studied English for 5 years in school. She knows grammar rules. She can read English books. She understands English movies with subtitles. But when someone speaks to her in English, she freezes. Her mind goes blank. She knows the words, but they don't come out. Does this sound familiar? Maybe this is you too. Here's the thing. Maria's problem is not about intelligence. It's not about studying more grammar. The problem is simple. Her brain is wired in her native language, and her mouth never practiced English sounds. That's it. 2 problems: brain and mouth. And today we're going to talk about how to fix both. Let's start with your brain. Right now, when you want to say something in English, what happens? You think in your language first, then you translate to English in your head, then you try to speak. This takes time, and by the time you translate, the conversation moved on. Someone else is talking. The moment is gone. This is called the translation trap, and it kills your fluency. You cannot speak fast if you translate. You cannot sound natural if you translate. You need to think in English. I know, you're thinking, Sam, that's impossible. How can I think in English? Let me tell you something. You don't need to think complex thoughts in English. Not yet. You need to start simple, very simple, like a child learning their first language. A child doesn't say, I would like to have breakfast now because I am feeling hungry. A child says, I'm hungry. That's it. 2 words. And you know what? People understand perfectly. So here's what you do. Start thinking in simple English sentences. Use present tense only. Use words you already know. For example, in the morning, when you wake up, think, I wake up. When you brush your teeth, think, I brush my teeth. When you drink water, think, I drink water. Let's practice this together. Repeat after me. I wake up. I wake up. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I go to work. I go to work. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel happy. I feel happy. See? Simple sentences. You know these words. You don't need to translate. You just think in English. Do this every morning, every single morning. While you're getting ready, narrate your actions in simple English. Talk to yourself. It sounds crazy, but it works. Your brain needs practice thinking in English. Right now, your brain's highway is in your native language. English is like a small path, but every time you think in English, you make that path bigger. Eventually, it becomes a highway too, but it takes time. It takes daily practice. Now, let's talk about your mouth. This is really important, and many people don't understand this. Your mouth is like a muscle. Actually, your mouth has many muscles: your tongue, your lips, your jaw. These muscles need training. Every language has different sounds. English has sounds that your language maybe doesn't have. Your mouth never made these sounds before. So when you try to speak English, your mouth feels awkward. It's not used to these movements. Think about going to the gym. The first day, everything is difficult. Your muscles are weak, but if you go every day, your muscles get stronger. Your mouth is the same. You need to exercise your mouth muscles for English sounds. Let me give you an example. The th sound in thank you, or this, or think. Many languages don't have this sound, so your tongue doesn't know what to do. You need to practice. Put your tongue between your teeth. Blow air. Thank you. Thank you. This. Think. Think. Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. Thank you. Thank you. I think so. I think so. This is good. This is good. Do you feel your tongue? It's between your teeth. This feels strange at first, but you need to practice this movement every day. Your mouth will learn. Another example, the R sound in red, or right, or really. In many languages, R sounds different. In English, your tongue goes back. It doesn't touch anything. Red, right, really. Practice with me. Red car, right now, really good. These are just examples. English has many sounds. Some are easy for you, some are difficult. The difficult ones, you need to practice them more. Use your face. Exaggerate the movement. Don't be shy. Nobody is watching you. Make big movements with your mouth. This helps your muscles learn. Here's the beautiful thing about shadowing. When you repeat after me, your mouth practices. Your brain hears the correct sound. Your mouth makes the movement. You do this again and again, and slowly your mouth learns. Your muscles remember. Repetition is the key. Not thinking about it, not analyzing it, just doing it again and again. Like learning to ride a bicycle. You don't think about balance. You just do it many times, and your body learns. Let's practice some common phrases. Everyday phrases. Repeat after me. Use your hands. Use your face. Make it physical. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What do you do? What do you do? I work in an office. I work in an office. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Japan. I'm from Japan. Good. Let's do more. I like coffee. I like coffee. This is delicious. This is delicious. Can you help me? Can you help me? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? You see, these are real phrases, useful phrases. You can use them today, not tomorrow, today. And by repeating them, your mouth learns the movements. Your brain remembers the patterns. Now, let's put brain and mouth together. This is where the magic happens. Your brain thinks in simple English. Your mouth speaks the words. Together, they create speaking. Here's your daily practice. Very simple. In the morning, when you wake up, narrate your routine in English. Simple present tense. I wake up. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I drink water. Just in your head, or whisper. Nobody needs to hear you. During the day, whenever you can, think in English. I'm hungry. I need a break. This is interesting. I'm tired. Just simple thoughts. Simple words. Don't translate. Just think directly in English. In the evening, spend 20 minutes with me, with this podcast. Shadow with me. Repeat after me. This is your mouth practice. This is where your muscles learn. This is where you train your speaking. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you're in a coffee shop. You want to order coffee. Old way. You think in your language, I would like to order a medium cappuccino with extra foam, please. Then you translate. Then you get nervous. Then you mess up. New way. You think simply in English. I want a cappuccino, please. That's it. Simple. Clear. Your mouth practiced this phrase. You said it many times while shadowing, so it comes out naturally, easy. The person asks, what size? You think, medium. You say, medium, please. Done. Simple conversation. Real conversation. And you did it in English without. This is the goal. Not perfect English, not complex sentences, just clear, simple, natural English. English that works in real life. I know some of you are thinking, but Sam, I want to speak better English. I want to use more complex words. I understand. But here's the truth. You need to walk before you run. You need to build a foundation first. Simple English is the foundation. When you can think in simple English without translating, when your mouth can speak simple phrases naturally, then you can add more. Then you can use more vocabulary. Then you can make longer sentences. But not now. Now, keep it simple. Remember, even native speakers use simple English most of the time. We say, I'm hungry, not I am experiencing hunger. We say, let's go, not shall we proceed to our destination. Simple is good. Simple is natural. Simple is real English. Your brain and mouth are learning right now. Just by listening to me and repeating after me, you're training. Every episode you do, you're getting better. You might not see it today, but in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you will notice. Words will come easier. Speaking will feel more natural. Don't focus on results. Focus on the process. 20 minutes every day. That's all. Show up, practice, repeat. Your brain will wire itself for English. Your mouth will learn the movements. Trust this. Some days will feel good. Some days will feel difficult. That's normal. That's part of learning. Don't judge yourself. Don't get frustrated. Just keep going. Consistency is everything, one day at a time. Let me tell you something important. You are not broken, you are not bad at English. You just need practice. The right kind of practice, brain practice and mouth practice. And that's what we're doing here together. Every person who speaks English fluently started where you are now. They couldn't speak. They felt nervous. They made mistakes, but they practiced. They kept going, and eventually they could speak. You are on the same path. You are doing the same thing, and you will get there too. Before we finish today, let's practice one more time. Some useful phrases. Repeat after me, nice and clear. Use your mouth. Use your hands. Good morning. Good morning. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. Take care. Take care. I understand. I understand. That makes sense. That makes sense. I agree. I agree. Sounds good. Sounds good. Perfect. You did great today. I'm really proud of you for being here, for practicing, for committing to this journey. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every day and doing the work. Your brain is learning to think in English. Your mouth is learning to speak English. Every day, you're getting better. Keep shadowing, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for spending these 20 minutes with me today. I'll see you tomorrow for another episode. Until then, practice your simple English thinking. Narrate your day. And remember, you're doing amazing. Take care and see you next time.